Mr. Adebuju Adedotun, the only son under the sun. We'll be looking at multiplication and determinant of matrices. Multiplication and determinant of matrices. So let's look at the multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Example 1 of that, or multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Let's say we have matrix A to be equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, and matrix B is equals to minus 1, 2, 3, 1. So find A, B, C. Okay? Find A, B, and B, A. Find A, B, and B, A. Okay? So we want to look for what? Multiplication of these matrices. So solution. So A, B. So we don't write A first. A first. This is A. And that will be 0, 1, 2, 3, followed by what? Followed by B. That's minus 1, 2, 3, 1. Can you see that? Multiplication of matrices A, B equals to A first, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, followed by what? Minus 1, 2, 3, 1. Multiplication of matrices. Take note. We get to what? This is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. We get to look at, I'm going to give you arrow. You can see the direction of my arrow. Direction of what? My arrow. Look at it. Look at the direction of the arrows. Can you see the direction of the arrows? From here, not like this, please. Not like this. Not like this. It will enter what? The first column and also the second column. Take note. Just look at the arrow. So we go with this also. That will go like that, and the other way round. Are we together? So this is equals to. This will be equals to. Now let's go now by multiplication. Look at it. We pick the first row first. Look at what I'm doing. The first row, the first element, the element in the first row to multiply the element in the what? In the first column. You know what column is now? I know what row is. Look at this. This is row. Row means horizontal. While column is what? Vertical. Okay? So we are using the element in the what? In the first row to multiply the element in the first column. Are we together? So look at this now. 0. Look at the direction of the arrow. If you are to follow the direction of the arrow now, let's remove this first. Okay? So let it go like that. Look at it. Go. So it enters the direction. So we're going to pick this first. That is 0. 0 times what do you have here? That's minus 1. In brackets. I'll take it again. Look at the direction of the arrow. 0 times minus 1. Then plus what do you have here? 1 times 3. 1 times 3. 0 times this plus 1 times 3. Okay? Comma. If you like, you can remove the comma. It's your choice. Okay? So move to the second one also. The second column. Using that same row. We are still on that same row. Using the same row, that's the first row. To multiply also the second column. And that becomes 0 times 2. That's 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. That's 1 times 1. Okay? Do you understand that? So let's move to the second one now. This is the second row. So we get to use the second row also to multiply the first column and the second column. And that goes as 2 times minus 1 in bracket plus 3 times 3. That's 3 times 3, comma, okay? Another bracket, 2 times 2. That's 2 times 2 plus 3 times 1. That's 3 times 1 in brackets, okay? And that gives you what? 0 times minus 1 is 0. 1 times 3 is 3. This is minus 2 plus 9. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 0 times this is 0. This is 1, 4 plus 3. And that gives what? 3. That gives what? 7. Don't forget that. Plus 7. You see the same thing as 9 minus 2. That's 7. And this gives what? It gives 7. When we have what? 1. This is what we call what? Multiplication of matrices. You understand that? 0 plus 3, 3. 0 plus 1, 1. Minus 2 plus 9, 7. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay? Let's move to the other part now, part B. What are we asked to find in part B? We are asked to find BA. Okay? BA. So we don't have BA. So B will come first. What's B? Minus 1, 3, 2, 1. Followed by what? A. A is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Let's go. We're going to draw our arrow also. Look at the arrow. This is the first arrow. It will enter this and it will enter that also. And that becomes what? Minus 1 times 0. Minus 1 times 0. Okay? Plus 2 times 2. That will be 2 times 2. Minus 1 times 0 plus 2 times 2, comma, you go back to it again, that same row to multiply the second column, and that becomes minus 1 times what? Times 1 plus 2 times 3. Okay? So move to the second row. Second row, that will be 3 times 0 plus 1 times 2, comma, 3 times 1 plus 1 times 3, okay? So this will be equals to, this is 0, minus 1 times 0 is 0, plus 2, okay? This is 0, plus what? Plus 2. Okay, this is minus 1 plus 6, isn't it? This is 3 plus 3. 3 times 1, 3, 1 times 3, 3. Okay, and that gives what? 2, 2. This gives what? 5, and this is 6. Okay, so this is BA. BA. You can see that BA is this and this is AB. AB, BA. They are not the same. Are we together? Are we together? Okay, let's move further. Let's move further to determinant of matrix. Determinant of matrix. Determinant of matrix. Determinant. Let's move to determinant. 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 So what we mean by what? Determinant. Normally, we have various methods in finding what? Determinant of what? Of matrix. You can use the first one. You can use the first column. You can use the first column. You can use the second column. You can use the third column. You can use the first row, the second row can be used, and the third row can be used. We can also use what? Saros method. We'll be looking at, because Saros method is what? The easiest way. If you are doing JAMB, if you are writing JAMB, you are writing what? Post JAMB. Cyrus method is what? Fastest what approach to what? To finding what? Determinant of matrix. So let's look at what? Under the determinant now. Let's say we have what? Matrix A equals to, let's start with determinant of 2 by 2. Determinant of 2 by 2 first. We have, let's say we have A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. We want to find determinant of A. Now, before I forget this, we use this to represent determinant. You can see, if you want to find determinant of matrix A, it can be written like this. Determinant of A. Determinant of A. Determinant of A. You can see that. This or this. So in case you check your textbook, you see this is still the same thing as determinant, and this also what represent what? Determinant. Okay? But I'm going to be using what? This. See the same thing as determinant of matrix. That's the determinant of matrix A. If what you are using is what? Is B. Okay? Determinant of matrix B will be this. Or that what? That B. That B. Or you use what? Change in B. Okay, determinant of matrix what? Matrix B. Don't forget that the matrix must be in capital letter, while we use small letter to represent what? The element. Thank you. So let's move further. Let's go further. So want to move forward, the determinant of this matrix. This is called 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, this is called 2 by 2 matrix. So in the determinant of the matrix, so we can look for the determinant of this matrix, that will be dealt A equals 2. What are we going to do? Just like we want to cross multiply, but we are not actually cross multiply, because when you are saying cross multiply, it has to do with what? With having equality sign, but we don't have equality sign there. That's why I use the word just like as if we want to cross multiply, but we are not going to cross multiply. Okay, so using this to multiply this, using this to multiply this, so that's what we have in this way. So this is 2 by 2 matrix, and that becomes what? A times what? A times D. Can you see that? Minus B times C. That's B times C. Take note that this has to come first. That will be A times D minus B times C. Let me open a big bracket. Okay? Let's have it this way. It makes sense this way. Now let's go. This is still the same thing as A times Z is still the same thing as AD or DA. Just like we have 2 times 3, 6, 3 times 2, still 6. So this is AD minus what? Minus BC. Can you see? This is determinant of matrix what? A. That is 2 by 2. How to find what? Determinant of matrix 2 by 2. Please take notes. Okay, let's look at this example. We have x to be equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find the determinant of this matrix. Find this. What does this mean? It means that we'll find the determinant of matrix X. So we can say determinant of matrix X using the same approach. Can you see that? So that becomes what? 1 times 4 using the same approach. That's 1 times 4. Can you see that? Minus 2 times 3. And that gives what? 1 times 4 is 4 minus 6. And what will this be? This will be minus 2. Now this is not your question now. This is the question that you'll be asking yourself, that how do we get what? Minus. How come minus here? How do you get this minus? This minus is as a result of it. Normally they will tell you that what? Normally that is how you put the minus, but it is not really like that. For 2 by 2 matrix, we can have it this way. The sign allotted to this is minus, plus, minus, and if this is plus, what would this be? This will be minus. If this is minus, this will be plus. Can you see that? We should actually say that what? This is it. But looking for determinant, we're only going to make use of what? the first what? The first signs. Why? Because we are using the first row. Okay, don't forget that I said it also that we can use the second row also, but we are using the first what? The first row, which means that what? We are making use of what? Plus and minus. Can you see that now? So that will become plus a times d. That is plus. Yeah, we're having that here. We're having that here. Okay, so that's plus. Okay, so we're having minus. You can see. So minus b times c, that is minus bc. Can you see that? So we have plus and minus here. So 1 times 1, that is 4. So minus 2 times this, that is minus 6. Can you see that? So you can also use what? Using this. You can also use this. Okay? Don't forget that the determinant of matrix X is minus 2. Okay? To justify my what? My point, we can equally what? We can equally use what? Use the second rule to find the determinant. Of course, yes. We are still going to arrive at the same what? Answer. Let me prove that to you. We have matrix X to be equals to matrix X to be equals to what? 1, 2, 3, and what? And 4. We want to find determinant of what? Determinant of matrix X is unknown. So we want to find this. So immediately you write this, please don't allow devil to use you. Once you write this thing, you must not repeat this. That is the rule. Once you write this must not be repeated because you've written the determinant already. Since the determinant already has been written, good. Then what you want to find out is to look for the determinant. This will not be written again. Please take notes, okay? So we're using the second row, okay? This is not my row. Row means horizontal, okay? Don't forget that. Don't forget that the minus for the sign for this, since you are using the second row, since you are using the second row, you have plus minus. Oh, sorry, minus what? Minus plus. It means that we have no business with the first sign, okay? Because this is what we are using. Since we are using this, what will this be? This will be, it goes this way, you can see that, and this way also. So that becomes what? You have a big bracket. Big bracket is not as a result of this piece. Take notes. Let me write it this way. Okay, that will be 1 times 4, isn't it? Minus, as a result of this minus, because it will be 2 times minus 3. This is minus 3. And that is 2 times 3, isn't it? And that gives what? 4 minus 6. And that is minus 2. Can you see that this and this are what the same? Can you see that? So you can decide to use the first row or the second row, whichever way you feel like using. But I will always advise you to always use the first row in order not to put yourself into problem. Are we together now? Now let's go for that. To determinant of matrix 3 by 3. Okay, this is 2 by 2. This is 2 by 2. Let's go to what? To 3 by 3. 3 by 3 is a little bit what? Advanced, but it's not that advanced too. There's nothing advanced in it. Just follow the normal protocol, okay? The normal procedure. So let's go. Let's look at this 3 by 3 matrix. So let's go. You have matrix A. Matrix A to be equals to 1, 2, 1, 0 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then the determinant is what? We want to find the determinant of what? Of matrix A. What will be the determinant of this matrix? We know that once you can write determinant, this, please, you must not write this again. That is, this must not be written in this form. Something like this. Look at it very well. 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Writing it this way is totally what? Wrong. Because why? Because you have written determinant. What you want to find is what? The determinant, and not this again. So for this not to be wrong, to be right, So this must be written like this. Can you see that? Determinant. This is what you want to look for. Determinant. You can see that. Determinant. This is quite different from this. Take a look at it. This is called, you can see called, and this is not. Okay? Now let's go there. So this will be equals to find the determinant. Don't forget that I said that we have what sign that we need to unlock to what 2 by 2. Likewise, what 3 by 3 also we have it. Okay? We can what this will be, this is plus, just as we have it there, minus, and this is what? Plus. So if this is plus, what would this be? This will be minus. If this is minus, what would this be? This will be plus. If this is plus, what would this be? Minus. If this is minus, this will be plus, minus, plus, and so on and so forth. Okay? You can use the first row to find the determinant. You can also use what? The second row. You can use the third row, and you can also use the first column, second column, and the third column. Okay? So whichever one you feel like using. Okay? But what I'll be using, I'll be using the first one, the first row. Okay? So let's go there. This is plus, minus, and plus. Okay? Take note of the sign. Okay? We're gonna pick, since we are using the first row, we pick this first. We get to pick plus 1 first. That's plus 1. If you are picking plus 1 first, what are we going to do? We cover the what? The column. We cover the row. Can you see that? Since you are picking this, we cover this. We cover this too. We'll be left with what? Minus 1, 1, 3, and 4. Minus 1, 1, 3, and 4. Okay? Followed by what? Minus 2. Once you are picking minus 2, you close this, you close this. We'll be left with what? 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, and 4. Okay? Followed by what? Plus 1. Once you are picking this, we close this, then we close this. We left with 0, 2, that's 0, 2, minus 1 and 3. Are we together? So this will be equal to plus 1. You can see now into bracket. This is now 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Then the way we're going to look for the determinant now, just like the other one now, that becomes what? Minus 1 times 4. That's minus 4. Minus 1 times 4, minus 4. Minus 1 times 3, 3. Minus 2 into bracket. 0 times 4, 0. 2 times this, minus 2. Plus 1. 0 times this, 0. Minus 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. Are we together? I'll take this again. Plus 1, 0 times 3, 0. You take this first. Minus constant. Minus 1 times 2, that's minus 2. So this becomes what? Plus 1 into bracket. This is minus 7. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7. Minus, same sign. Pick one, add the numbers together, that's 7. Minus 2 into bracket. 0 minus 2, that's minus 2. Plus, minus times minus, same sign, plus. 0 plus 2, that's 2. So that's 1, Abi. So this will be equals to minus 7 plus 4. Minus 2 times 2 plus 4. Plus 1 times 2, that's 2. Minus 7 plus 4, that's minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2, that's equals to minus 1. I will take this again. 4 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus, minus 7 plus 6, that's minus 1. Okay? That is the determinant of 3 by 3. But we need to look at the another approach to this. And that approach is applicable to JAMB, majorly applicable to JAMB students and POST-UTME students, which I would advise you if you are writing POST-UTME, you don't need to go through all this. Remember, no time to check time. Okay, now let's go. This method is what we call what? Saros, or you call it Saros rule. Saros. You call it Saros rule. Saros rule. This is called Saros rule. I remember then when I was in secondary school, I do call this mosquito net, because after drawing it, it will look like a mosquito net. Okay? So how do you use this? The man says that in order to use this rule to find a determinant of a matrix, that we need to what? To rewrite the first column and the second column again. I'll take it again. The rule says that in order to use this rule to find the determinants of any matrix, we have to repeat the first column, and the second column. Take note of that. Meaning that, let's say for instance that we have matrix A to be equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, A33. And we want to find the determinant of this matrix. What does the man say? The man says that to find the determinant of matrix A, this will become, what you have here, you will write this first. That is A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, followed by what? A13, A23, A33. So the man says that we get to repeat the first column and the second column. That's what the man says. That will repeat the first column, that is A11, A21, A31, followed by what? A12, A22, A33. Repeat the first and the second what? Column. Can you see that? So this is what we call what? Saros rule. Then writing it this way now, we now pick diagonally. Please, you pick 3 diagonally. That is 3 elements diagonally and not 2. We can't pick this. This is diagonal. This is diagonal. Okay? This is not diagonal. This is what? Horizontal. This is vertical. So we pick 3 elements diagonally. 3 elements that are what? Arranged diagonally. Take note. So this is not up to 3. We can't pick it. Look at it. It's not up to 3. We only have 2 elements. It's not up to. So we can pick this. Is up to. We can pick this. Is up to. We can pick this. Is up to. Can you see that? We can't pick it because it's not up to 3. You can't pick like this. That's not picking diagonally. You can't pick this. We pick this. Is up to. We pick this. Is up to. We pick this because it's up to. We can't pick this. So this is what we call what? Saros rule. So this is Saros rule. This is what the rule is all about. So let's just look at one example under what? Under this, using Saros rule. One example under this. So let's go. We're going to use same example. Find the determinant of matrix A. Matrix A equals to 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So we want to find the determinant of this. So how do you get the determinant of this? Once you write the determinant, please don't forget this. We put this. And not this again, please. Always remember that, please. Okay? So 1, 0, 2, 2, minus 1 and 3, 1, 1, 4. So the rule says that what? We repeat the first and the second column. So this is the first column which must be repeated. So we have 1, 0, 2, 2, minus 1, 3. That's all. That's all. Then you now keep diagonally 3 elements that are in diagonal. Can you see that? You can't put this is not up to. Oh, sorry. This is 2. Okay? Like this. Okay? Like this. So we can't put this is not up to. So that will be 1 times minus 1. That's minus 1. Minus 1 times 4. That's minus 4. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 1 times 0, 0 times 3, that's 3. Then we can't put like this because it's not up to 3. We put this way, we put this way, we put that way, okay? 4 times 0, 0 times 2, that's 0. Okay? 3 times 1, 3 times is 3, minus 2, minus 2. That's all. Then what are we going to do now? The determinant of matrix A. Determinant of matrix A will be equals to what they are there? Minus 4 plus 4 plus 3 minus what they are there? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 2 plus, minus 2 plus 3 plus 0. What will this be? This will give 3 minus into bracket. What do you have it? This is minus what? 3. That will give us what? 1. That's 1. And this is 2. Wait, let's look at this again. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at this again. This is 3. Minus 3 plus 2, 1. Let's look at it again. We must be getting the same answer. It's like there's something wrong with it. Minus 4. This is, oh, look at it. Minus 1 times 1 times minus 1 times 4. This is minus 4. Take note. So this will be minus 4. Minus 4. Please take note. Take note. That's minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4. That is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3. That's minus 5. That's minus 5. This will be minus 8 plus 3 minus, this will give you 1. That will give us 1. What's happening? What's happening? This is minus 4. This is minus 4. Sorry, this is not minus 4. This is 4. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 4. This is, oh, I'm very sorry. 1 times 0 times 3, that's 0. This will be 0. Look at it again. This minus 2. This is 3. This is 0. Okay? Sorry for that. Sorry for that. So in using this, you have to be very, very careful. So what would this be now? What would this be? This would be minus 2 plus 3 plus 0 minus what do you have there? Minus 4 minus 4. No. We are picking the down part plus 0 minus the upper part minus 2 plus 3 plus 0. Okay? This and this will go, that gives 0. That's 0 minus into bracket. This is 1. And that will give you 0 minus 1. That's minus 1. Thank you and God bless you.